Hey child, welcome back to my channel. So girl, imagine this. The year is 2020 and the world is shut down. Everything is crazy. You're locked in the house and we have come up short on one thing that a lot of us love, and that thing is lace. And so we had to be real innovative when it came to the haircut because there wasn't no lace available. So in comes the headband wig. It took the internet by storm and it came in really handy for those protective style wearers like myself. And so as time has gone on, people have gone to do different things. My first wig has came into the chat and said, not too fast. Run them headband wigs back. But we done flipped that thing, reversed it, and made it even better. So in this video, I partnered with My First Wig to show y'all how we have come back with the headband wig, but not just any old headband wig. Headband Wig 2.0. Roll that beautiful bang footage. All right, now let's get into it. So we have My First Wig. Almost. There we go. My First Wig coming to you again with the Headband Wig 2.0. Some of the things they have to offer: number one, a mannequin head. Don't be like me, be better, child, because I be throwing these wigs any old type of way. Store yours the right way. They do have styling tools as well, so like clips and combs and things of that nature. They do have headbands available if you would like them. I was gonna go pink, but then y'all know black girls and yellow just go real good together, girl. And so let's get into the unit. Also, they do have wig caps available. The unit that I have the popping curls texture. Again, this is the Headband Wig 2.0. The reason they're calling it 2.0 for 3 reasons. Number one, they do have an adjustable strap in the back. This helps to make a number one, a more secure wear. Number two, give you longer lifespan of the actual unit. And then they have the adjustable drawstring to make it more of a customized fit to you. One size fits all, of course. Just go ahead and pull that thing, make it fit your head. Last thing, more breathable. Child, because the last thing you need is a girl like me sweating in the gym and then your scalp just gets to being sour, child. So this gives you a more breathable wear when it comes to the unit. Speaking of the unit, I do have, again, the Pop and Curls unit. My length is 20. It is Indian hair, natural color, the average size cap for me. And then the Headband Wig 2.0, it passed the sniff test. So let's get into the install. Number one, I always say wash your curly units first. Of course, they're cute when they come out the pack, but it's something about adding that water and that moisture back into the curls that just makes it pop even more. I forgot to show y'all earlier, this does have comb attachments around the perimeter to give you more of a secure hold. So this is me, you know, your anchor holds and grips that solid rock meat in that head. Girl, so anyway, after I got all the combs attached, I did go ahead and pull the adjustable drawstring just to make sure this was really secure to my head. We'll do a shake test at the end. I don't know why I decided to do that, but I did. So anyway, after you do the adjustable strap, I went ahead and tucked it in the back and put on my headband. Right here, you'll kind of see me just kind of messing around to see how much of the black I wanted to cover. It's cute with just the black by itself. I have worn it like that before, but if you want to put the headband on top just to cover up that black strap, that's optional as well. So I'm just kind of messing around to see how I'm gonna do it. Now let's get into styling. Now, if you want more definition, use a mousse or a gel. If you want more volume, use a cream. And so that's what I'm using. I'm using the hair milk from TPH. What I'm doing is kind of just going through and making sure every single strand is saturated in the product. Just working in really good. As you can see, the curls are coming to life, child. Once that product hit it real good, y'all see the shine and the luster on it. It looks really nice. And that's not me amping it up. You can literally see it on camera. So after I worked it in with my fingers, I'm gonna just take a styling tool and run it through. Now, I intentionally grabbed it from the ends instead of holding it secure in my head because I wanted you to see that with the comb attachments and with the adjustable drawstring, it is secure without me having to hold the wig down. Like sometimes you do with the lace, you kind of just want to hold it in place. This, I don't have to do that just because it is so secure. And them curls, I was like, wait a minute, girl, look at that, look at that, look at that. One thing I love about this unit, as I'm working through that product, very beginner friendly, so you don't have to worry about any lace, you don't have to worry about any bleaching, plucking, customization. It's really just kind of just wear it and go. So after I work the product through, I'm gonna use the diffusing attachment and diffuse the curls. This is number one, gonna help it to dry, and number two is gonna give it more volume. So I'm just not doing anything special, just kind of holding it in place and letting the air push through to the curls so that I can keep the curl the curl texture, and then also get the volume. So that's pretty much it. And from there, we're just gonna go into more styling. Make sure you get your roots as well. You want to make sure that that is done. After I'm about maybe a good 75%, because it's not totally dry, I knew I wanted a lot of volume. So right here, I'm just kind of breaking in some of the clumping that was given by adding product and working in the product with the brush. By separating some of the clumps as I go in and diffuse it the rest of the way, is letting the air pressure push through a lot more. So a lot more air pressure means a lot more volume. That was a voluntary step. You don't have to do that. You could really just put on some product and go. But I just wanted to be extra because y'all know everything I do is just absolutely doing too much for no absolute reason. So once I am, oh, you can see right here, I'm lifting at the root as I'm drying. This is giving more volume without me having to use a pick. So that actually helps with the longevity of the unit if you're not like picking it through and teasing it and stuff like that. So if I'm drying and lifting, that is going to add that volume. So right here, after it's pretty much dry, I just separate it until I got a volume that I like. And baby, she's done. Like when I say this is so easy to put on, it's literally that. Now my edges, y'all know, listen, she almost 40. She don't do no baby hair, but I just decided to do a little extra for this video. Don't clock me. But yeah, that's it. This unit, not only were the curls amazing, my first wig never plays when it comes to that. This was a secure unit. So this is me doing the shake text to show you that the unit is secure, not only because of the comb attachment, but because of the drawstring attachment. I wanted to show you what the back looks like with the volumizing that I did when it comes to the breathable unit, so you don't have to worry about any peekaboo. I see you with the wig cap. This thing is bomb. So if you're interested in this or anything else that Myfirstwig has to offer, click the link in my description box. You can check out this Headband Wig 2.0 with all their new innovation, as well as everything else that Myfirstwig has to offer. They have never failed me yet. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. I love y'all, Maki Dada, and I'm out this piece. Bye.